Windows 7 finding location of installed program. Usually on Windows XP, if I wanted to know the location of an installed program, I would just click Properties, and it would show where the executable is located. On Windows 7, I do the same thing and I get this. How can I find out where programs are located based on the shortcut? I did, however, notice that for some programs it does show a shortcut under the target, but not in the case with iTunes, for example.
I have wondered the same thing for some shortcuts under Win XP. I tried Cygwin's read shortcut, but it didn't tell me the real target. So they're obviously something to do with Windows installer. To find the executable, you can always just run it and use Process Explorer to get the path. In my case, C column / program files / Microsoft Office 2K / office / winword.exe.
What you are seeing are special shortcuts called advertised shortcuts. The shortcuts actually link to msexec.exe, which is the Windows installer executable. Advertised shortcuts allow installer authors to install only portions of their application, and then install additional pieces when they are accessed via the advertised shortcut. Windows Installer also automatically checks the integrity of all of the installed files each time the application is run, so you can be sure the application is valid when it is run. Here is a Stack Overflow question with a bit more info on advertised shortcuts. Finding the executable the shortcut eventually runs is not a simple task, and would involve some digging through the registry. Hugh's suggestion is likely much simpler.
Try either of the below, from Tech Tips forums. VBScript. PowerShell, with the install of this Windows Installer module.
I had a similar issue and was able to use Task Manager, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, Start Task Manager, to find the application after opening it in the Applications tab. Right-click on the desired application to bring up the menu and choose Go to Process. This shows which process is associated with the app in the Processes tab. Then, right-click on the process to bring up the menu and choose either Properties or Open File Location to find out more.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.